Hi, the Unity Asset Store is a great place to find all kinds of game objects, assets like audio files and scripts for you to download and use in your Unity game projects. But it's not the only place. There are other places online where you can find various assets to download and use either for free or paid in your game projects. These assets might include images, artwork, audio files, scripts, and more. The first resource we're going to look at is Kenny. Kenny has thousands of game assets that you can use. Some of them are paid, but many of them are for free. They also have some games that you can check out. They have some additional tools that you could utilize. But the main thing we're going to look at are the assets. Here we have some 2D assets, some 3D game assets. There's all kinds of different types of assets that we can download and use, and they're really high quality. I highly recommend the Kenny assets. Also, we'll take a look at itch.io, and this website is mainly a game hosting website, but there are a lot of creators who develop different types of assets that you might be able to download and use for free in your game projects. Over here in the browse area, I would take a look at game assets. This would be a good place to go to check out some more game assets, including even some Kenny game assets that you might be able to use in your Unity projects. Lastly, opengameart.org. This is a really cool place for all types of community creators who want to get online and just share their artwork and audio files for free. For my game, I'm going to go back to the Kenny assets, and I'm going to download a Kenny asset that I like called TinyTown. So I select TinyTown. I can take a look at all the different information that they've revealed here for TinyTown, and you can also take a look at maybe some screenshots of what's included inside the asset package. Now let's go ahead and download this. I'll click on download. It'll ask for a donation. I'm not going to donate at this time. And then it'll say thanks for downloading. It'll download your assets as a zip folder. This is very similar to the Unity asset packages that are shared within this course. Back in the Unity game engine, I'm all set and ready to import the assets that I just downloaded from the Kenny website. But first I need to unzip that folder that I downloaded. So I'm on a Mac computer. I'm going to open up the Finder and look for that zipped folder that I just downloaded. Here it is. And on a Mac, I just need to double click it to unzip it. Yours might be a little different if you're on a Windows machine. Now that the folder has been unzipped, I can take this folder and easily drag it into my Unity project. I'm going to put it in the Assets folder at the bottom. You might have to wait a little while for it to import all the files into your project, but once it's done, you should have another folder under the Assets Project folder. And then you can take a look at all the different items that you have. I'm just going to grab a tile here and drag it up into my scene editor. Now that you know how to import game assets from other locations, it's your turn to practice.